find the maximum or minimum value without using formula by simplification method. Which method is this problem convert to perfect square? F of x equal to here x square, here x square quotient convert to only x square quotient convert to only one number. Here 1 is there, don't changes. Here x quotient what? 5. 5 can be multiples of 2, write down. It is not possible. 5 cannot be multiples of 2. Here 2 multiply and divided by 2, write down. This is 5x as it is, write down. Here minus 6. This is x square. Here minus 2 into x into 5 by 2, write down. This can be written as 2 into, this is already a, we know, 2 into a into b. B equal to what here? 5 by 2 minus 6. This is x square minus 2 into x into 5 by 2. A square minus 2ab plus here b square not there. 5 by 2 whole square add and 5 by 2 whole square subtract minus 6. Here a, which formula is there? A square minus 2ab plus b square. X minus 5 by 2 whole square. Here minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 25 by 4 minus 6. This is x minus 5 by 2 whole square. Here minus LCM 4. 4 6 are 24. 24 minus 25 minus 49 by 4. This is f of x value. This f of x maximum value equal to what? Or minimum value equal to what? Maximum exists or minimum exists? Minimum value when it is possible or maximum value when it is possible. It is simplification method, not using the formula. Here observe here x minus 5 by 2 whole square. This is always any real number here substitute here. This value is always positive. Here minus 49 by 4. This value our assumption 0 substitute here 0 square equal 0. Here minus 49 by 4 equal to what? Minus 49 by 4. This is fractional part. Our assumption any number write down. This value equal to our assumption 10 write down. Suppose 49 by 4 10 write down. 10. Here this value is here 10 write down. 0 minus 10 equal to what? Minus 10. Only our assumption 49 by 4, that is fractional part. Our assumption is simple integer write down. This value equal to 10. Suppose our example. This value 0 square equal 0. 0 minus 10 equal to minus 10. Next our minus 2 write down this value. Minus 2 whole square equal to 4. 4 minus 10 equal to what? 4 minus 10 minus 6. Okay. Any value. Positive number write down. 3. 3 square equal to 9. 9 minus 10 equal to what? Minus 1. Okay. 0, 4 to any value substitute here. Which one is the minimum value? Minus 10 minus 6 minus 1. Minus 10 possible. Minus 10 is the minimum value. Here any value substitute here. Minus 10 is the minimum. Maximum value equal to what? Maximum value we cannot find out. Maximum value. That is this expression value equal to always greater than or equal to minus 49 by 4. This is the smallest number. This is the minimum number, but maximum number equal to what? We cannot find that. Infinity values are there here. Minus 6, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That numbers are possible. Minus 49 by 4. This f of x value equal to what? Minus minimum value of f of x is minus 49 by 4. This value, when it is possible, this x minus 5 by 2 value equal 0, then minimum value is minus 49 by 4 possibility. Therefore, minimum value at minimum value at x equal to pi by 2. Minimum value at x equal to pi by 2. This minimum value is minus 49 by 4 possible. This expression value minus 49 by 4 is the minimum. Maximum equal to what? Dash dash dash. Infinity numbers are there. Maximum we cannot correct number. We cannot tell correct number. Minimum is direct minus 49 by 4 is the minimum number. Maximum equal to many numbers are there. But minimum number when it is possible, x equal to 5 by 2, minimum value is, which number? Minimum value equal to what? F of x has the minimum value minus 49 by 4 possibility when x equal to 5 by 2. Find the maximum or minimum value. F of x equal to 2x square plus 5x minus 3. Formula is there, but we are not using formula. By using simplification method, 2x square plus 5x minus 3. This simplification method by using convert to this expression converted to perfect square method. 2x square, here x square quotient what? 2 common write down, x square plus 5 by 2 into x minus 3. Here 2x square plus 5x minus 3. X square quotient what? 2. Every expression first convert to x square quotient equal to 1. Here x square quotient not 1. Here 2. First 2 common write down. Here 2 common write down. Suppose x square quotient 3. Suppose 3 common write down. Suppose x square quotient 5. 5 common write down. First convert to x square quotient 1. Here 2 common write down, x square quotient 1 plus here 2 not there, divided by 2, 5 by 2x. Here 2 not there, here 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay, 2 of here x square quotient 1. Okay, here 5 by 2 x quotient convert to multiples of 2, but 5 by 2 we cannot convert to multiples of 2. This is odd number. Write down multiplied by 2. This type of numbers, odd numbers, suppose we cannot write down multiples of 2. This number convert to multiply and divided by 2 write down into 5 by 2x minus 3 by 2. 2 into x square plus 2 into, here 5 into 2 to the 4. X into 5 by 4 write down. This is in the form of x square plus 2ab, b equal to what? 5 by 4 minus, here plus 5 by 4, here b square not there, 5 by 4 whole square write down. Here minus 5 by 4 whole square write down. Here minus 3 by 2. 2 of x square plus, this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square minus, here 5 square 25 by, here 25 by 16, here minus 3 by 2, here 2 8 into 8 write down. 25, here minus 25 by 16, here 3 8 24 by 16. 24 minus 25 minus 49 by 16. F of x equal to, here multiply 2. X plus 2 times of x plus 5 by 4 whole square. Here 2 into 2 8 is 16 minus 49 by 8. 2 8 is 16 right now. Here observe here, this value equal to what? F of x value equal to what? F of x value, minimum value equal to what? Maximum value. Suppose this expression minimum value exists. Minimum value equal to what? This expression maximum value equal to what? Suppose 49 by 8. This is fractional part. Suppose our assumption, which number cancel? 8 6 are 48. Here 49. Suppose this value equal to our assumption 8 item. 6. 8 6 are 48. 6 item. This value, here any x value substitute here. Actually 0, 1, any real numbers are existed here, x value. This value our assumption 0 minus 0. 2 into 0 equal to what? 0. 0 square equal to what? 6 minus 6. Next 1 write down. 1 square equal to what? 1 into 2. 2. 2 minus, this value is always our assumption 6. 6. This value equal to 6. Equal to what? 2 minus 6 equal to what? Minus 4. This value equal to 2, suppose. Minus 1 write down. Minus 1 whole square. Plus 1. Plus 1 into 2. 2. 2 minus 6 equal to minus 4. Same. Suppose minus 2 write down. Minus 2 whole square equal to minus 4. Minus 2 whole square equal to 4. 4 2 is 8. 8 minus 6 equal to what? 8 minus 6 minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Here 3 numbers observe here. Which number is the minimum? Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. Minus 6 is the greatest number. Here before minus sign is this. This number is the minimum. This number is the minimum compared to these two numbers. Similarly, minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity numbers are existed. But minimum number is what? Minus 6. Minus 6 value equal to what? This our assumption already 6. Minimum number is 6. That is equal to greater than or equal to minus 49 by 8. This is 6 value. But maximum value, we cannot find out maximum. Only minimum value is possibility. Maximum value, infinity numbers are existed, but exactly we cannot find out maximum. Minimum value is direct minus 49 by 8. That is exact number, perfect number. Minus 49. This minus 49 by 8, when it is possible, this value becomes 0. Minus 49 by 8 is the minimum value. When it is possible 0, x plus minus 5 by 4 substitute here. X equal to minus 5 by 4 substitute here. Minimum value at x equal to minus 5 by 4. The minimum value is minus 49 by